Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Find My Mobile option on iPhone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here tap on this icon. Now from here tap on Find My, and you can see in my phone Find My Mobile is enabled. Also, if you cannot find this option here, then just go back and then go to iPhone, then tap on Find My iPhone, and here it is. Now if you want to disable it, just tap here, then type your Apple ID password, then tap on turn off and give it a moment, and you can see Find My iPhone is disabled. If you want to enable it again, then just tap here and it's enable again. Then you have to enable send last location from here. And that is how you can enable or disable Find My Mobile option in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.